Welcome to Bikini Now. I am going to show you this beach. This is a great beach. It's kind of cloudy right now because it's the morning, but when it's sunny, this is a really good beach. There are lots of people here. Lots of people come here. It's a good party beach. Lots of great views. That apartment back there, I wonder how much it costs to live there. It would be a sick apartment. Man, just views over the ocean. It doesn't get much better than this. This is another beach that is awesome. It has many great views also. The sand is super soft. Everywhere it's clean. There's no trash. Like, this is a good beach. A really good beach. Look at the people swimming. Just loving that water. Loving it. Just as far as you can see, everything is just amazing. Wow. Stunning views. And this rock right here, it's huge. It's a big, beautiful rock. Just look at it. Wow. Just it's an amazing rock. Such great detail. One of a kind. Just one of a kind rock. And over there is a cool archway. It is a great spot to get your photos taken at. Lots of people love getting their photos taken there. It is probably the most popular spot on this beach to get your photos taken at. Like, it's really cool. It's insane how cool that archway is. Just amazing. Wow. And look at those tide pools. Wow, there are lots of them. There are tide pools all over those rocks. All up in those rocks. There are tide pools everywhere. They're so cool. You could easily be here all day just looking at those tide pools. There's lots to see there. Little tiny fish, crabs, maybe a starfish. And over here, you can just see people loving this beach. They are just absolutely in love with this beach. They are laying their bodies all over it. This is a great beach to just lay your body on. It loves it when you lay your body on it. All over this beach. Surrounded by great views. Just amazing views everywhere. Wow. And that bird living his best life. Look at those palm trees. So perfect. Picturesque. And that mountain back there, that mountain is just covered in houses. Houses all up on that mountain. Wow. And that ocean, it's so beautiful. And look at this big tide pool. This tide pool is huge. It is one big tide pool. Look at it. Just look at the size of that tide pool. There's got to be a lot of little critters in there living their best lives. Just loving this beach. It's so perfect. Just look at these views. This is another great view right here on top of this big rock that I was talking about earlier. It is a big rock and it has lots of great views. Lots of beautiful views. As far as the eye can see, just look at those crystal clear blue waters. My God. Amazing. And this sea cave thing I was talking about earlier, people love getting their photos taken here. It is a great spot to get your photo taken. And the sand. Did I mention how soft the sand was? It is the best sand. It is just absolutely the best sand I have ever felt in my entire life. My God. Just so soft. Look at this sand. People loving this sand. They absolutely love it. They are in love with this sand.